What's up, guys? Cyber20 here. Welcome back to a Tech Tuesday unboxing video. Today, as you can see, Christmas came. Oh, someone's shooting outside, so my dogs are going crazy. But Christmas has came early for me this year. Again, well, last year was late, but nonetheless, it's been a long time coming, but I finally have an upgrade. This is my original watch. This is Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I made a video on this previously. My first one ever Samsung watch was the Galaxy, just the regular Samsung Galaxy watch. This is the box. I don't know what that is. I don't know where it came from. But this is the box. And you can see the size comparison from a number of years ago, like 3 years ago, compared to this one. This is the classic. This is the 47 inch. No, 45 inch. 45 millimeter. Oh, I'm getting over a cold. Jesus Christ, I'm going through it, but it is time for an upgrade. But this isn't my only upgrade item. I have two. Y'all will see that in a future video whenever I get it. It might be common sense of what it is. If y'all know what it is, put it in the comment section. Let me know, and I'll tell you if you're correct. But I'm ready to get this bad boy ready. I've always wanted to upgrade for a long time. I don't have to, but I wanted to. I done missed the 4 and the 5. This is the 6. I'm late to the party, but it's better late than never. Okay, I have all type of stuff on here. I got this from Samsung.com, and I got picked up from my local Best Buy, so I had to wait for it to get shipped. I got it seeing the other device. Christ, comes shortly after the holidays. I think Thursday, I believe. So let me get this thing off and do the little satisfying pull tabs to take it off of here. This is the 47 millimeter. These are all the specs on here. As my phone goes in and out of zoom. Y'all already know I'm a Samsung fan, so everything I own is pretty much Samsung. A lot of my peeps, my friends, want me to switch. Nah, nah, I'm good. Alright. Let's see if it makes a sound. Oh, God. That was horrible. I don't know what that was. Hold on. Yeesh. That wasn't good. Let's try the last one. It's not as satisfying as you would think. Bummer. Let's see how the presentation looks. I'm assuming I might have the watch in the middle with the straps detached on the sides. Oh wow, it's all together. Man, this thing is nice with the black leather. Oh my word. And I'm assuming this is literally, that's all in the box. This thing is beautiful. Oh, so shiny. Let's put this to the side. Here's all the boring stuff. There's some stuff in here. I wonder if it has any interchangeable watch scraps. It should. Just in case, you know, my wrist is too small. Oh my, it's in there. I think there is some. I might have to open it from the bottom. Oh yeah. I think this might be the rubber one. Oh. Oh no. Wow, there's actually a charger in here. I was wrong. Okay. Okay. I already have a wireless, I already have a pad charger for my old one. I don't know if it's gonna work for the new one, but you know, there's only one way to find out. But that's pretty neat. I like the stand-up one that they had for the original Galaxy Watch, but it doesn't work. So I can't even use it. Any Easter eggs? Anything at the bottom of this box? Nah. Yeah, that's it. So just the setting, the quick startup guide and everything. So as you can see, it is bigger. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is like a horrible video. I'm sorry. I was just so excited I got this thing. I just wanted to make a video. Oh my word. But here is my old one. Like I said, it is smaller. So again, my original one is 45 millimeter. This one is 47. So 2 millimeters bigger. So yeah, definitely you can see. There's a physical dial just like the old one. These are how the buttons look with the red ring. I'm assuming for the power button. This one is just the 2 buttons. Let's see how it looks when I cut it on. Samsung. Oh, this is beautiful. But I'm a hardworking man, so I'm gonna be hitting stuff. So it ain't gonna, you know, stay beautiful for long, unfortunately. But you know, if y'all want to see the difference on the back, I'm gonna have to take this off anyway because I am trading this in. I'm gonna take it off. Alright, so this is how my watch looks naked. Oh, you can see all the wear and tear over the years. That's crazy. Well, this is how everything look with the sensor and everything. You can see it's all dirty. It beat to water and everything. This is the back of the new one. The sensor looks similar. I don't know what that is. This one has that. I think one of these is speaker or the microphone. The microphone is on this area. And I guess this one is here, I'm assuming. One of these days I'm gonna have a better setup. But I'm gonna set this up so y'all can see how the home screen looks. And I'm gonna bring y'all back whenever that part is done. Alright, I'm back. First of all, the settings went crazy. I guess it has some integration with Google now. This is crazy. I didn't even know that. Of all my other watches, it did not ask all these questions. But get to know my watch. Alright, swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. Ooh. Swipe up to go back, of course. Find your apps next. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Oh, that's oh, yeah, that's definitely news. Taking a page out of Apple. Because before, this is everything here. If you swipe up, actually, It don't do nothing. You have to hit this button and then all of it comes out like this. Interesting. Swipe down to go back. Okay. Check your notifications. Okay, next. Your notifications on the right. Of course. Oh, this is a new face also. Swipe swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Okay. Swipe left to go back to the watch face. About tiles. What are the tiles? For tiles, swipe right, swipe left. Okay. Press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. Okay. Boom. That's it. Okay. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notifications. Okay. This phone did it too. Well, you know what I'm talking about. Watch. Okay. It's much more smooth. I don't sleep with my watch on. There's a lot of stuff I need to get used to. It looks so good. So this is the one on the other phone, on the other watch, and this is on this one. Touch it. I guess it's in night mode. I guess this one wasn't in night mode, but I guess this is in night mode. Look at all the details. Okay. Keep on going. Yeah, they're going a little crazy with the gunshots out there. I don't know what they got going on. Okay. And, you know, the home screen. The activity tab with the settings. And on this one, this is how it looks. So I think this one has the new software that Samsung has. One UI 6, I believe. This is, I don't remember which software this one is. Let's see. About device. This is software. Oh wow, this is 2.0. Let's go to the settings on this one. It's fast. Well, I'm gonna check for an update, but not right now. I'm gonna do that after the video. Oh well. Interesting. I gotta get used to a lot of stuff on here. Oh my god, how am I supposed to type all this stuff? It's so tiny. But I wasn't done with the settings. Let's go to the settings. About phone, software, information. Yeah, this is 5.0. Does it have an Easter egg? Nah, it doesn't. System version. Okay. Yeah, the settings just went away on this one. The screen cuts off pretty quick. Software 2.0 Tizen version. Yeah, that's about it. It doesn't even show as much. One UI. Yeah, that's it. System version, it doesn't even tell me that. Okay, well, yeah, this watch is pretty decked out. Hit the heart. I guess the heart rate stuff. It's not on my arm, so it's not gonna work. Let me go. Oh my lord. Oh man. Add a watch face. These are all the different ones. Got the live wallpaper. I like this with my old watch. Let's see some other ones. Pebbles. It's got some whimsical ones here. Okay. It is like so seamless with the dial. It's so smooth compared to this one. Well, this one's smooth probably because it's old. I was using it a lot. Let's see the options with this one. My old one. It's hard to do it without having grip. So these are all the designs on the old one. There's some unique designs with this one. I grew accustomed to compared to this one. This was like, oh, my bad. I'm sorry. There's some at the bottom. I apologize. I like the weather center. I might use the weather center for a while. Sleeping coach, active, classic, simple, basic. This is the one that I have. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is the one that I have. If my finger was in the way, my apologies. These are the downloaded ones. I think for now I'm gonna rock the weather. You can customize it. Swipe left, right. Oh yeah, I don't have the patience for all this. Oh, that's pretty neat. I think I'm gonna keep it stock for now. Compilation. Weather, temperature, sunrise, oh my word. There's so much. Wow. Just a lot to pick and choose from. Okay, I like this one. Customize. Can I change the background? No, that's about it. I can't do anything else. Okay. Alright. This is a neat little watch. Like I said, I haven't upgraded my watch in a very long time. I gotta go through all the settings. I gotta go through everything to get to know this thing. But it's late. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. But this is a very nice watch. Device control, multi-control. Oh my word. This is a lot of stuff to get used to. This is a lot of features on this new watch compared to the old one. But it is time to say goodbye to this one. So what I usually do, I put my old devices in its original box, which is this one. And I'm gonna factory reset, of course, and prep it to get sent off and get, sent on its way. But I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. Sorry I wasn't 100% for this video, cough and everything. I apologize. But hopefully in the next video, for the next device, I will feel much better. But thank you all for watching the video. By the time I post this video, the holidays will be over. So Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, whatever festive holiday you celebrate, and I will see y'all in the next video. Ty here 120 out. Peace.